formulas look hard. But in reality, there's just 3 that you have to learn. And the ones with C's have a -1 at the top. So it looks like they're a lot worse than they are. Sine and cos are basically the same. The cos is a negative. Tan and cotan are the same. The cotan is a negative. Secant, cosecant, the same, but negative, right? So it's 3 that you have to have memorized. If you're ever like, hey, is this on the formula sheet? Remember, there isn't a formula sheet. So the answer will be no, because there isn't. If you did the related rates, like I told you to this weekend, the like volume of a cone or volume of a sphere or whatever, they'll embed in the question. So there isn't a formula sheet, but those ones will be given to you, but in the question. Yeah. Sorry? Yes.
So if they memorize this, they also make us memorize the cone forms of the volume of a rhombus.
So here we have if y equals sine neg 1. Now what a lot of people try and do is they go sine neg 1 outside and do chain rule. That's not what you do. This is your derivatives of inverse trig functions. You have to have them memorized. So what happens is you get 1 minus 1 minus, and then x. Your x becomes whatever the heck is here. Okay? So you fill it into that formula, and then whatever the heck the x is, that goes in. So we have the derivative of sine neg 1 is 1 over 1 minus y prime equals 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared, I believe. Yeah. 1 minus x squared. But is x on this one? No, it's 4x squared. We agree? So we have to put a 4x squared here. And then what have we not done yet? The derivative of the 4x squared. So what's the derivative of 4x squared?
8x.
Yes, you are. So we're going to get 8x, technically, because this will be over 1, over the square root of 1 minus, what's 4x squared? 18?
16x.
There we go. I really hope I just heard wrong. 16x to the 4. Yes.
Thanks, John.
The roll is rolling. This is good.
116 minus 4 are all perfect squares, so it makes me think it can be simplified, but I know it can't. And that makes me upset.
Now, let's say we forgot this derivative that you were supposed to memorize. Is there a way to derive it with using the math we know?
Good question, John.
It's a differentiation to get it, but that's way longer than just remembering it. It's in the textbook if you'd like to see it. It goes through how to differentiate it. All right. E sine neg 1x. What do I have to do first to derive this? Chain rule. When we have it's a numerical base to a variable exponent, what do? Rewrite it. Technically, along the base, which is 1. Technically, the derivative of the exponent. Is the derivative of the exponent just 1 now? No, it's what the derivative of sine neg 1x is. And what is it? 1 over square root of 1 minus x squared. And then this e sine x, a sine neg 1x is over 1, so technically that could go in the numerator. So we get e sine neg 1 x all over square root of 1 minus x squared. And these will be your questions to try. I want you to do example 4. Try it out. So tan neg 1 over x, or 4x, is going to be y prime equals 1 over 1 plus x squared. X just happens to be 4x. And what can I not forget to do? multiply by the derivative of that, which is
4.
4. So y prime equals 1 over 1 plus 16x squared times 4, so I get a 4 at the top. Boom. Now I'm on a roll. Ha. Stole your roll, stole your roll, stole your roll.
I stopped this level.
Thank you. Just got like a positive Polly over here. And ish on time.
I got here at 8:30.
See, I said ish. All right. I don't know if there's one of those, but okay. So what do we have to do for this one first? We have to do the derivative of what first? Sine, which is cos of the bracket. Then I have to chain behind the derivative of the bracket, which is 1 over 1 plus x squared. So I end up with cos tan neg 1x all over 1 plus x squared. And there's a now try. It's in section 3.3.